Hey everyone, today I will be reviewing the Everydrop by Whirlpool water filter cartridge. This Everydrop filter is NSF certified to reduce 66 contaminants from your water. The water that comes out of this filter is extremely fresh and clean tasting. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to replace your old filter cartridge and install the new one. Start by removing the bottom plate on your refrigerator, and you will then expose the old filter cartridge. Simply push and it will pop out. Take your new filter cartridge and remove the blue cap off the end and simply just insert it into the hole that you got the old one out of and press and lock in place. So there you have it. That has been my review and how to install the Everydrop by Whirlpool water filter cartridge. This filter cartridge, like I said, removes so many contaminants from your water that is left behind inside the tap water that can still be harmful to you. So I definitely recommend you checking this out on Amazon, and thanks for watching.